The sight of blood. A man who graduated from a medical school was found to be a failure. Despite his fainting at the sight of blood, he persists in his attempt to become a surgeon. Despite the fact that this is a terrible behavior for a surgeon to exhibit, he screams and faints in operating rooms. Every morning, when he looks in the mirror, he passes out because he cuts himself shaving. When he became a surgeon after graduating from medical school, it was a waste of time. He has been fired from 75 hospitals, and he has been told to leave and never return. He graduated despite having the lowest class average, which is shocking. People drag him into alleys and kick his ass because he is unable to carry out his duties. Every time he makes an incision, this man faints. People quickly realize that hiring him was a bad decision. When he sees people putting ketchup on their fries, he even faints. I won't say whether he should become a surgeon if you ask me. Even though it is his fault, he chose the wrong career and does not want to be held accountable. They have to use the smelling salts every time he is in an operating room. Because he faints when he loses his cool, his coworkers have regarded him as weak. Don't even think about going to medical school if you faint at the sight of blood.